Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to download a receipt for an order made with Grassroots Labs. First, log into the Grassroots Labs website with your username and password. Second, navigate to your account drop-down menu, which is the button in the top of the screen with your name on it. If this button does not show your name and instead shows Log In, you are not logged into the Grassroots Labs website. In the Account drop-down menu, click Order History. Find the order for which you would like to download a receipt. Click the green button labeled Receipt. From here, you can see a summary of your order and click Print. This will open an operating system print dialog box where you can either print to your local printer or save the document as a PDF file. For more information on how to save the receipt to a PDF on your specific computer, see the help links below. Now you can provide your receipt to your insurance company, health savings account, or save a copy for your records. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for choosing Grassroots Labs.